I hear a lot of questions about how to replace our electronic air cleaner. So today we're going to walk through the process, hopefully answer any questions that any of our customers may have. So our first step in the process is going to be flipping our switch. We want to make sure that our system is not powered on. We wouldn't want to shock anybody. There's going to be a little grommet back here that we will pull. As we lift up the unit, we will unplug it, and we'll be able to pull it right out. Down on the bottom here, we have some clips. Usually I like to set it down on a flat surface, makes it a little bit easier. We will pull the old filter out. We'll take our new filter. So we have two sides of the filter. We have a blue side that says LPD, and then we have a shiny silver side. Inside the box, there will be a little sheet that says the blue square needs to be in proximity with the white circle. So on this here, we have our white circle, which is essentially an insulator to keep it from electrifying the whole piece. And then we have our electrode here. So that's what we want to go against that silver side. We put our blue side up, we put our silver side down, right onto our piece here, and then we will just close these brackets again. So, most common thing that I see is this put in backwards. So if we want to get our full dust capture out of this electronic air cleaner, we need to make sure that we have this blue square on this white pad here. That way we are fully engaging our electrode. So we changed our filter. Now to put it back in, we just reverse the process. We start by sliding it in, slide it down about halfway or so. Then we'll take our cord, we plug it back in, and then we'll just want to gently slide it all the way back down. And then we can turn the power back on. And then we can verify that it's running. There'll be a little red light right on the bottom here. That's how we know it's working. And we just close everything up, and that's it. That's how we changed an electronic air cleaner.